Hello, welcome once again to amasstechgh. So in this video, I'm going to take you through how to format your pen drive or SD card using CMD. Yes, command prompt. Well, it's very easy and it's the most secure and safe way to format your pen drive, right? So let me take you to my PC or laptop screen and then we take it from there. So you insert your pen drive or your SD card. With the SD card, you insert it with the card reader, right? So you can see on my screen, I have a problem on my pen drive. So I've been trying to format it using the system or normal formatting procedure, but it's very difficult for me to do that. So I think there's a two-way. Maybe your pen drive might be in such condition as mine, or yours will be having some files that you think you want to format it, right? So please, before you format it, make sure you have a backup, or if me remove those information to somewhere so that after formatting you wouldn't be bothered because you lose everything. Right, so you can see my pen drive has opened two spaces. So I mean, there's a problem with my pen drive, so I have to format it. So you can see when I remove my pen drive, it is gone, but when I insert it inside, you can see with the removable disk there appear two spaces, right? So you see, anytime I insert my pen drive, be like for the formatting and everything. So in this video, I'm going to take you through the CMD, which is the very secure way to do that in case you have a problem with the normal formatting, or if you can go ahead with it because it's very good and it's very easy to do. Yeah, so you see, after inserting the pen drive again, you see those two available spaces on the pen drive has come. I don't know, it is supposed to be one particular space, but due to the problem on the pen drive, it comes to. So yes, you click on Windows plus R and then the CMD, type enter, right? So first, this is the CMD, this is the interface. That's if you didn't know. So in order to, we begin by typing diskpart, right? Then click on enter. So when you click on enter, you run the program. You click on yes, then run the program. Okay, so now I've gone to diskpart. So what we'll do next is let me position the yes. So what we'll do next is we'll leave a space, that's space, right, and then write list and then space and then disk, and then you click enter. All right, so you can see we have the disk available, that's the internal disk, and then the pen drive, which is the disk one. So if you don't know the storage of your pen drive, you go to files and then you click on you right click on the pen drive, right? You see yours, I'm sure to come one space, but mine, due to the problem, I have to. Anyway, when you right click on it, you go to properties and then you know the capacity of the pen drive. Then you come back and then yes, let me check this one too. Right, so you just right click on it, then you select the properties and then you know the capacity, then you come back and then you can see that it is the disk one. So you leave a space, or you write select, sorry, you type select disk one because that's the disk one is the pen drive, right? Then you click enter, as you can see on the screen. So now disk one is now the selected disk. All right, so you leave a space and then you write list, then a space, then disk. Don't worry, I'll make sure I'll leave everything on the screen so that you see it as early as possible. So list space disk, you see we have the disk one selected. You can see a star over there or asterisk over there. So what you do is you type clean and then automatically after clicking enter, your pen drive will be clean. But anyway, we are not done yet, right? So we go ahead and we type create, then we leave space partition, then we leave space primary, right? So after typing this, you click on enter. Okay, right? So yes, this part this part succeeded in creating the specified. All right, so now you type select
partition, select space, partition 1. That one to make sure you leave a space, right? So select space, partition, space, and then 1, right? So partition is now selected. Okay, yeah. Right, so then we continue by typing format, then leave a space, fs equals, or fs is equal to ntfs. So ntfs, that's f s equals ntfs. Then you add the quick. Make sure there's a space between the quick and then the fs equal 10, and yeah, so the quick will make it faster. Yeah, so then you can see that it is calculating, right? We have 0% right? So now we have 100% completed, right? So now you can see that when I go to files, our my pen drive is now okay. Now it has come and it has been formatted correctly. So what you can do next, in some cases or in some pen drives, you have to add active, right? And then you click enter. But this one, there is no need for that. That's my pen drive, there's no need. But in some pen drives, there is the need for that. Also, if you want to change the the name, my website, sorry, my pen drive, you saw the name is F. So let me show you. See that the name is, I think, F, or yeah, the pen drive name, as you can see. So you can change it. I can change it to T. So if you want to do that, you can change it to the abbreviation of your name or something. So to be, you type assign and then space letter is equal to that particular letter that you want to assign space. Then I'll leave everything on the screen for you to see. Now you can see it has changed to the T that we assigned. Yeah, so that's how to format your pen drive using the CMD, right? So I hope this is very, very easy, and then you'll be able to format any of your pen drives. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Amasstechgh.